Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Radhe Krishna friends. After a long time, Ravi went to meet his master. Bowing down to his master, they began to have their conversation. Ravi seemed to be very tired and depressed. Ravi said, "I work very hard all day to make many good things possible in my life. But it becomes so difficult and impossible. I lost my promotion due to a rumor that spread across my workplace. My new baby boy fell sick and me and my wife have started to fight and now hate each other because of all these issues. Master, I was so determined that I put my whole strength to overcome all these challenges that I face. But at last, after many attempts, nothing in my life changed and I have started to lose my energy and lose my perspective. I am very tired and worn out." Hearing this, his master took him for a walk into his garden. While they walked, Master asked Ravi to take a look at a monkey that was jumping from one tree to another. Ravi also noticed a baby monkey was clinging firmly to that monkey's stomach. Master said, "Look, Ravi, how tense the baby monkey is." "How can you say that, Master?" "Though the baby monkey lovingly attaches itself to its mother, it had to hold her only with its own strength. When the mom jumps from one tree to other, if the baby monkey loses its strength, it may fall off and get injured." "Yes, that's absolutely true, Master. The baby monkey is tense like me." The master smiled and they walked further to see a mother cat. The cat was holding its kitten by the scruff of his neck and was transporting it from one place to other. Master said, "Ravi, look at that kitten. How he feels at ease with its mom. He did not cry, squirm or struggle and doesn't even care where he is heading to. He is completely calm and at peace. This is because, however dangerous the situation is, the kitten strongly believes that his mom would take care, protect, and guard him." The master further said, "Ravi, like the baby monkey, if you believe only in your strength, you may have the fear to fall off at the time of hardships. That fear is a path to the dark side. It leads to anger, hate, and suffering. Everything in life do not happen according to your wish. You just work and put all your efforts, and the result is the wish of that supreme power called God. He is the strongest of all, but He falls for our love. Yes, when you keep God in front of all your efforts When you unconditionally love and believe in the strength of God, then you will be taken care like that kitten. You can be at ease and you can head safely in your direction without any fear or exhaustion. By hearing Master's words, Ravi gained his new strength, the strength of God. Friends, scriptures say we cannot receive God's grace without our self-effort. Take effort. Put all your strength. Don't worry, you may never get tired. If you dedicate your strength and efforts to God, your strength gets renewed, gets doubled, and you will become stronger and stronger and stronger. Jai Shri Krishna. ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.